much, Waldo. Found you really easy.
Thank you.
Now go, back to your storybooks.
Yes, that is how you do it. Bow to me. Take notes, humans. Applaud this tiny child. Shows my spine and all of
Turn around.
together. Turn towards the camera, my daughter Decepticon, and raise one
Riley.
there. One fist all the way up. Yes, that is how you do it.
Woo!
When you leave me, wreak havoc and make everyone miserable. And if you get a treat later, don't share it. Yeah, sharing is for the weak. Keep it all to yourself. You have my permission to be a villain.
And now declare all hail Megatron. Try to do it without laughing. You're really exuding Hufflepuff energy right now. You know that, right? Then do it like a Slytherin.
All hail Megatron.
There. You even did it with an annoying, like you're annoyed. We like it. Your energy is useful to us. Perhaps we can bring chaos. Go forth, Slytherin. You've earned your green stripes.